before you jump into that, where did the blood in the nacho cheese come from? Do we ever have a discussion?
No.
Okay, good.
Maybe just a very dark human being.
Time to reevaluate our program. That's a segment we did.
Michael has a good one. It says Taco Tuesday, because that's what today is. Jesus, Ian, and the veterinarians. I don't know